to him, Aiden.
I want to go up here.
Okay, go up there and talk to him. Talk to him. Give him kisses.
Sissy, I just want to kiss his belly.
Ooh, try to get his belly. Give him a little raspberry. There you go. Can you baby talk to him, Aiden?
Sissy, watch out. I got...
Say please, Sissy, watch out.
Sissy, I got a hug.
Yeah, look
Please,
out,
watch
Sissy.
out.
Ashton.
Can you baby talk to him, please?
No. Say hi.
Oh my goodness.
Say hi, Ashton. Hi, Ashton.
He likes it.
He does. He likes when you baby talk to him. Can you baby talk to him?
I'm done.
You done?
Baby.
Can you give him one last kiss, Ava? Give him a kiss? Give him a kiss on his tummy. Oh, that's so sweet.